Hey guys, John Plantek here, and today we're going to be dealing with Construct 2. I know it's been a while since I did a tutorial video, and I've been having this longing to do it, so I'm just going to jump into a tutorial series and just kind of like do it out. I know I've been doing some stuff in CopperCube, and I've been doing some stuff in Unity, and then again, I keep saying life happens, but that's what happens is life gets in the middle of everything. But today we're going to just kind of like trudge through a Construct 2, and I know they have Construct 3 out, and I have tried it. I do like it, but I have a license for Construct 2, and I still like Construct 2, and I love the fact that with Construct 3, I can take it with me, and it works with, I can do it on my phone, I can do it on any of my tablet devices, I can do it on my home system, my home PC system. I just like Construct 2 because that's where all my projects are built for, and I'm used to it, and I have it, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys have it unless you've built up with Construct 3. So I'm just going to delve into it, and then we're just going to continue down this road with this top-down shooter, and then just continue on with it. Now, this is also going to be kind of a relearning process, because I've been dealing with 3D engines, and I've just been missing some 2D engines, because I'm not going to say they're simpler, but they're just 2D graphics, and you don't have to deal with so much of a 3D, third view. It's literally a plane. But you can do some 3D stuff with CopperCube, and we may delve, not CopperCube, with Construct 2, and we may delve into that. But I've been missing some 2D stuff, so we're going to get into that. Right now, again, it's very, very easy. My setup is to very much do a first episode is, it may be redundant, it may be like baby chatter, but it's literally know where you're going on the first episode, ramp it up on the second one, the third one we're like, okay, we know what we are doing, we are professionals, we know how to like do this game, and then we tackle each heartache that we deal with. So this is just a regular PC top-down shooter. We may go into some HTML. They've been like playing around with the whole. They've removed Flash from the world, which is how I got into stuff. But they did some HTML stuff, and I've been trying to find out some HTML game sites that I used to have logins for as a developer, and I've gone back into 2 of them. I will link them because they're escaping my brain right now, so I will link them down below. I think one's Congregate, and the other one, Congregate and Newgrounds. I have developer accounts for it. I've been always wanting to like practice projects up there, but I always wanted to like release a full-fledged game for that. So we're going to do that, and so we're going to make this top-down like demo setup, demo shooter, exploratory little game, and then we're going to move on from there and just like make games. Make tutorials, because I feel like I've been like yearning for that for a while. I've just been like heartache after heartache after heartache. But we're going to do this because I love this. So that's what we're going to do. So again, studio logo or whatever you have. I just have a 2D plane. You can have a GIF or a video sequence. I have a video sequence in my head, and I just want to like put it together. I'd have to go back into Blender and relearn some stuff over there because I'm stuck in 2.49 right now and 2.55, so I have to get to the new ones. But this is the studio logo. That's the code for it. It's on start of layout. So again, we're just going to go add event. We're going to go system. And then if you know what you're doing, you just type it. You go on start. It's on end. That's on start. We're going to go, again, system. We're going to wait because we want everybody to literally stare at it. Wait. There we go. Wait for signal or wait. We're going to wait. We're going to set it for 5 seconds, but what you can also do is you can also set this up for on wait for 5 seconds and still have the screenshot going or whatever. Like say you have it as more of a GIF to where it's just playing it all the way through, and you can be like, hey, after 5 seconds it is skippable. So on 5 seconds, like pop open like a button, and on click a button, go to next scene. I'm pretty sure you can do something a whole lot more complicated. Again, we want to make it easy, simple, And easy, simple doesn't always mean better, and harder and complicated doesn't always mean better. It's what fits what you want it to do. So on wait of 5 seconds, we're going to go, hey, we want to go to the next menu. So go to next layout. On next layout, we're going to have layout 1, layout. So label your stuff. So we have studio name, and then we have menu. Boom. And so what happens is on start of layout, we're going to wait 5 seconds. Then it's just going to click to the next thing. We're going to delete that. And on our next thing, it's just the menu. This is just it. It's a regular 2D screen with a button that says play. And then once we click on that, it's going to go down to this tiled background. So we're going to insert new object, and it's going to be tiled background. All I did was look up a seamless floor, because I can't find half of my my assets that I have on my NAS, because I need to clean it. And then I just have a black sprite as the player, and then we're going to just go there. We're going to hit run layout. We have it running through HTML. So we have Rogue Planet Studio. We have the game menu. We hit play. Boom, there we go. I did notice a little bit of lag maybe. And then there we go. And then this is really, really, really simple. So again, we just have so we don't have a mouse look, which is usually how I like doing it. It's very kind of like, this is old school, but I like the mouse look, because all I have to do is rotate the mouse, and the player's going to rotate the mouse. So that's what we're going to do on the next one, but we're just going to keep this one simple. So again, nothing on this terrain background, and on this player, the code for this player, menu, layout, event sheet. What do we do? Oh, I didn't even have to hook up code. 2 seconds. On behavior, so over here on your left hand side, you're going to have behaviors. And then what we're going to do is add and edit. We have scroll to, so the camera is always attached to this to the player. We have 8 direction, and then we have solid. And then what we would do is, if we're going to do something else to where it's going to look toward it, we would do custom movement. We're going to do that a little bit later. And then later we're going to be adding physics to where he's always, so every single second the character rotates to mouse point Y, X and Y, and then we'll have the character always rotate to the mouse. And later we'll be doing some turrets, and then some simple path finding, because on turrets we're actually going to set up top-down turrets so you can shoot zombies or monsters or whatever. And on some physics, I'd like to actually have some physics and bullets bouncing, and some spark effects and every type of stuff, and some bullet, and then pathfinding on the enemies. Also, if you have some AI bots, but I'm probably overthinking myself right now. And then line of sight, and then some pin, so you can pin some like bombs or something like that to it. And then some save, so no save, persistent, Shadowcaster. I like Shadowcaster, it's kind of cool. And then boom, so there we go. So that's going to be super, super easy. Really, really simple. And there we go. So really right now, we're going to add some health and all that type of stuff in the later episodes. They'll be later on this week. So they're not going to be the most awesome videos, but they're going to be my type of videos. So hopefully this helped out a little bit. I know it's really, really fast. I'm going to put this file, minus the studio name, in the description down below like I used to. And I will see you all in the next video. Also, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff down below. Comment what you would like to see in this top-down, and then what you want to see for the next series and what type of engine. I'm still kind of a noob in Unity, but we're going to scratch our heads together on that one. And if I find resources that help me learn Unity, and you're wanting to learn Unity, we're going to do that together. So as we learn every type of engine out there that we can. So peace out, guys.